Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have this Peugeot 3008. This is a 2018. Just going to show you the location of the OBD2 port. And basically if you go just down here by the footwell and you remove this panel here, so if we just pull that panel out a little bit like that, the OBD2 port is right there. And I'm just about to plug mine in because I need to check for some fault codes. So I'm just getting that one in there. That should light up, and then obviously I'm gonna go ahead and do some fault finding here. But as far as showing you where the the port is, that's basically where it is. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.